On earth, we are all in a journey of life. Knowingly or unknowingly, those things we watch and hear, says and does may have an influence which is good or bad on our co-passengers. At times, some of us go to the hectic life and stays there. Some known or unknown people stick on to us. One who hugs memories, cares the heart, becomes beads of this journey as friend. All living organisms accompany them. Hearts that join together spread good order, recites poems of love and dance. In the sky, while flying, nature protects that beautiful picture.
Inform the climax of the film to David from Dubai.
Nanda, you put a budget.
Vinay laughed horribly as he heard the reply.
He became psycho from mental.
Now what? My story got value, right?
Director came to read the scenes which were written with the beats of Leo's guitar.
Why is it so?
Sir, it's 40 scenes now.
Is he lazy, Leo?
Shall we take a flat in Marine Drive?
Why?
Speed of writing and inspiration will increase.
Isn't it, Vinay?
Do you need?
No, sir. I just talked about the trend. We tell the story through flashback. Scene 1. An evening. A 3-year girl running on beach. She is carried and lifted to sky by Devatan. Amla is scolding by her naughty daughter. Without listening that, dad and daughter were playing in the waves of sea. A house in a village. It's a chapati making unit. Lakshmi is packing. Anantu is cleaning the car in courtyard.
Anantu?
Sir, there are little starts.
You're so handsome.
Thanks.
I was in need of some money urgently. First I thought of you, Devan.
It's okay.
Excuse me? Hello? Yes?
Madhuri, it's intolerable. So many problems every day. Excuse me? Yes, sir. Your composition is excellent.
Oh, thank you, sir.
She has written some lines.
Wow, good.
I would like you to compose those lines.
I don't know whether it's that beautiful.
I'm not that good, but I'll try my level best. Okay. She will give you those lyrics later on.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
See you. Yeah, problems are gradually solving.
What's the news of Madam?
She's not in touch with me.
Oh,
Anyways, let's meet again.
okay. Thanks
Bye.
to you. Relax, relax.
It's not to ruin your happiness. Your pilot has called yesterday. He told to see you.
You should have said that you don't have to.
He is disturbed about you. He will arrive next week at Mumbai. He wants to confess you something.
There was a time when I loved to hear this. Days when I abandoned my near ones and believed he was my whole world. Then I realized it was my body, not my heart that he loved. It was too late then.
I heard he fought with that Kashmiri lady.
If you have a little concern for me, tell him that I'm missing. I don't wish to hear his story anymore.
Sorry. I'm not spoiling your mood in this morning. We have to reach at 11 o'clock for the jewellery inauguration. A chance to make you understand you that those things happened were not a mistake. I only thought that much when I got his call. Relax.
Madhu bro has told about you. I have convinced the party and asked them to give you the vehicle. Okay?
I don't want to talk to you.
How is the work going on? Okay. Hey Shaji,
Hey, good morning, brother.
I'm calling you yaar. Hi Patros brother. He is the one I told you about.
What about the money?
Money can't be arranged immediately.
Oh.
You must wait for some time.
Oh, now it's not possible. We can see it afterwards. Please don't disturb me. I will definitely give you money. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you brother. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, take care. Bye.
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 Madhu brother, he is my cousin.
I don't have time to talk with you, man. Get lost. Get away from here.
I'll
Are
talk
you
to you
going
later.
or not? I will
He is
cut you into
talking as if
pieces.
I'm
Okay?
taking his girl, huh?
Get out.
You come here. These money lenders are always like this. You come here. He was a beggar on the streets. Now he became a millionaire and he is money lending. Now he has got 2 horns on his head and is talking like this. I missed many lotteries by only one number. If I had got that lottery, I would have given you the money without any interest also, you know.
What happened? Has Anantu not come yet?
No, brother.
What the hell? It won't be never available in a need. You don't worry, dear. He will reach at time.
I'm not worried at all. You people also don't worry. I told you that I'm not going for nursing when bank loan was rejected, but mom forced. Why should I go when money is not there? Nobody's listening to me.
You know, Shankaretan, that it was her dad's ambition to make her a nurse.
Okay, see you.
Anantu has come.
He came.
What happened?
Nasirka told that he can't give as much as the amount we asked. If a huge amount will be given, is the trouble will be over, Bablus? Will you please get lost from me, a white monkey?
Get lost.
Come inside, let's have coffee. Hello?
Hello, Madhuri. Hello.
Hello?
Madhuri?
Who is this?
I am Tushar. I am Tushar, Madhuri.
Tushar?
Yeah.
I don't know you. I don't remember you.
Madhuri, on the day when your car was breakdown, you came in my
Okay,
car.
Tushar, tell me now.
Madhuri, are you
What's
busy?
the matter?
Nothing special. Madhuri, hello?
Oh,
Are you alright? I am sorry, Madhuri. I was little busy when we met on that day.
we didn't meet after that.
Madhuri, shall we meet once again?
Sorry, that's an old story.
Shall I say?
Yeah, tell.
You are naughty.
Oh gosh, I was a little busy, Tushar.
Where are you now?
I am on a ride.
So what?
I am driving. Call you later, okay?
Oh, okay.
Damn it. Simply. One Solomon.
It should be cleaned at least once a day. If guys clean the courtyard, nothing is going to happen. Light should be kept for Ragini Amma every day. If you purchase something, you could eat 3 times plenty of food. You know that my mom has prestige. Hey, if I hear that you are with bad friends, I will come soon. Are you sleeping? You idiot! I told you already. I shall go to SN College here. Then your fishing won't be work out, right? You also supported my mom. Now you cry. I really hate nursing. Stop staring and bless me if you want to.
Go, girl.
Hey, Lakshmi. It's time for you to go. Oh God, when is this girl's laziness going to be over?
Go, girl. Time is up.
Aren't you coming?
No, I'm not coming.
You sold your car or gave it to moneylender?
You don't worry about that. Work is done. Go.
When you call suddenly, there's no one here to come. What to do?
Don't tell anything against your teachers, okay?
See, uncle, this bull is standing here.
Hey, come on.
He has peace now, right?
Bus will go now. Get in fast. Shall we go, Anantu?
Leo, we could meet at evening 4 o'clock in coffee shop, okay?
It's really a lucky opportunity to sing a song composed by Samson sir. That's why I'm troubling you, sir.
Hey, it's true that Samson did first music for my film, but now he is a famous music director in the south.
Sir, if you could mention a word.
Okay, I will call. He looks like a tough guy, but he is innocent. A guy who respects talent. You try.
Did you call me yesterday?
Have you called?
Director Neeraj sir asked us to come here. We'd like to meet Samson sir.
Samson is busy. Work is not yet over. He will be late. You do one thing. No need to wait today. Next Wednesday before starting, call me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I told you, right?
മാലകളും നിനക്കേകീരതി ഭാവം
He's a calm guy. He has some feelings.
It's very difficult for me to just believe what you say. Leave what Karan and Aishwarya says. I know about him personally. But one thing is for sure. He has some special feelings and attractions towards you, Amla. Don't stare like that. It is very difficult to get him near you, okay? This Madhu knows how to deal with those guys very well.
Madhu, this is over. He feels it. I too felt that. Don't make fun of him, okay?
Oh, really? You don't teach me how to behave. I have seen this a lot. We can throw stones at the mango tree when it has mangoes. If we simply throw stones, only leaves will fall. Leave sheds for no use.
There is no point in talking with you, Madhu.
Hello, Niran. How are you? Of course. Welcome. Why didn't you call me?
I thought not to disturb you as you were chatting whole night with some guys.
It was Niran Reddy. The one settled in Hyderabad. Don't you know him? Last week he had a product launch. He is very friendly with me nowadays. He liked you so much. He has sent you his regards. He is a big shot. If we aim him clearly, he will be a bullseye.
Okay. You make bullseye here.
Hi, Leo.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, Leo. I forgot to call you. He is Leo. He is a singer. He wishes a chance in your music. It's been many days. He had come to your studio that day.
Oh, I was late with the work on that day. Have you sung anywhere before?
I have sung some devotional songs, sir.
Bring the CD. I will listen.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Come. You can come here. Come.
Brother, is this enough?
Okay. Stop.
Okay then.
Don't forget to call, huh?
Yeah, sure. Bye.
Bye.
Please, dear. He demands you. He's a big magnet. You have to adjust for just 2 days only. Niran won't show his wishes very fast. Another form of Devadattan. That's all.
No. Madhu, you forget me. You became very bad because of your greed for money. For whom you're making money. Madhu, can't you live like a human being here? Madhu, I have tolerated to maximum. Now I can't. Leave me. Please, leave me alone.
Is the show over? I have forgotten myself. Then how can I remember you? When I entered into the room shown by my mother, when the man who had grey hair came closer to the chest, I was in the memory of my boyfriend to whom I gave my virginity. There started my sufferings. Greed that you said now to conquer as much as I can. There's no point in sentiments here. After heavy booze, acting unconscious, wake up after giving pleasure to the guy in front of you. There won't be anything left after a shower bath. This is my business. Have a customer and have a service. Devadattan is my client. I am not advising you. You should be a little more practical. Sinner is always a sinner. I am taking back the phone which I gave you. This is business. I have updated accounts. You are a good girl and a good friend. If I was not like this, take care. Sir.
What do you want?
Sir, I'm Leo, singer, Hotel Ekachakra.
Who are these people?
Sir, they are my friends, sir. I have seen you on the other day. You told me to give the CDs of my songs.
You could have given this at home or office. Okay then, call me. I will tell my feedback.
A chance.
Let me listen first.
Good morning, sir.
I have listened to your song. Are you interested in singing track?
Yes, sir.
I will inform in studio. You go and study.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks is good. Don't you have anything without these guys? I don't like them at all.
I don't like you at all also.
What? What did you say?
Nothing, sir.
Then shall I go to studio, sir?
Okay, go.
Okay, sir. Come, let's go. Dude, why are you playing with my life?
I just wasted my time coming with you. Let's go.
What an irritation your friends are.
Sir, they're a little playful.
You focus on your career without passing time in friendships and all.
Sorry, sir.
Go. Okay. See you. We'll call you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Being a guest in own house, it is a different pain. You won't understand that. This river, yard, swimming. That was a great pleasure. By the way, how is your mom?
A fusion of Ayurveda and allopathy.
Oh.
Do you have the plan to buy this shore? This is government property.
I am fed up. When I walk in a clear road, I kept aside my dreams long time ago. Gained a lot. Now I feel really guilty. Family, friends. Sometimes I feel everything is an acting.
That's because of your hectic life. You earned a lot, right?
No, Nandan. Pleasure of poverty is unreachable for the new generation who sits and watch TV in the hall. They don't bother about anything.
That's right.
Memories of walking early in the morning and going under mango tree for mangoes is enough to understand the lost life values of this generation.
I expected your feelings, but this was very fast.
It is the sorrow of all NRI, sorrow of heart.
That's what I say. Come back after leaving everything. What's your next plan?
A week and a lot of things. By the way, what is your new project?
There is a good subject of new guys.
Oh.
It was nice when I heard it. You read it once.
Oh, okay. I will read.
Don't chart any program tomorrow evening. A God's own treat from my side.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello. What, dear?
Daddy, when are you coming?
Ha! Oh.
What happened, huh?
I have completed my script, you know.
Oh.
Let it be a film. This is not a small thing. It's an international subject, you know.
Oh, his international subject is about catching dogs.
First, get an yes from any directors, then you can boost and lie. You got it? Please do that first.
Hey, don't criticize anything about the movie. I know to direct a movie. Let's see what you can do.
Leo, are you in room now?
Yes, sir.
I'll come there.
Why, sir?
I have a work with you.
Hello. I
Hi.
bought a guitar for my daughter. He said, you will tune it nicely.
David, these are the guys who develop our new subject. Vinay, we shall sit with your script one day.
I have the curiosity to know the subject he selected.
He won't accept anything so fast.
Hey, come on, man. Let's sit in the coming day. Don't forget to tune the guitar, okay?
Sure, sir. Hey, Swati. Hello, Swati.
Don't try to fool me.
What happened?
How many times I called you yesterday?
There was a program in a city, so
Don't lie.
now I'm in my room only.
Stay there.
Hey, Swati, why did you come here?
What shall I do then? If you're not picking up the phone, I should know what's going on, right?
Why are you playing, man? Hasn't he told you about the girl we met on the other day? He didn't tell you, is it?
Hey, which girl? Okay.
Hey, you said it right. Girl beautiful than Swati and who has long hair. Guitarist Reshmi.
Yes, I know about you, Leo. It's true.
So, you are teasing me, right?
Okay, now you guys can go. Take him also. Go.
Hey, come man. Carry on,
Please
carry on.
go.
Is Reshmi really beautiful than me?
Oh.
താനന്നം ഒരു കിന്നാരം കളഗാനം നൂപുരനാദം
കാതോരം നിൻ പുന്നാരം തൂകിടും പുതിയൊരു നാണം
പുഴയൊഴുകിടും വനിയിലെ മൺവഴിയോരം നിറമണിഞ്ഞിടും കനവിന്റെ കൂടൊന്നു നെയ്യാം
നനനനയൊരു മുകിലിന്റെ തൂവൽ ചൂടോ ഓ ഇളവെയിലിനെ പുണരാം നൽപൂങ്കാറ്റേ
താനേ താനേ നെഞ്ചിലൊരു മോഹം തുടികൊട്ടിടും മേളമോ
ആരോ മൂളും മേഘപദമാണോ ആനന്ദത്തിന്നലയൊലികളാ
സുരഭിലമാമി പൊൻപൂവാടികളിൽ
പൂവണിയും താരാവീഥികളിൽ
നാം കാത്തിരുന്ന കനി തിരയാം
കാലം മായ്ക്കാത്ത കഥ തുടരാം താനന്നം
ഒരു കിന്നാരം
കളഗാനം
നൂപുരനാദം
തെന്നൽ കയ്യാൽ കണ്ണു പൊത്തുമ്പോൾ കാണൂ ഞാൻ നിന്നെ ഉള്ളിലായി
തൊട്ടാൽ വിരിയും ചെമ്പനീർ മുട്ടിൽ തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചി തഴുകി വെറുതെ
താഴ്വരയിൽ
വെൺതേരേറി വരും
വസന്തഗീതമുതിരുകയാൽ
സ്വർഗം നമ്മിൽ വിടരുകയാൽ
Hi Vinay.
Sir.
Are you prepared? We can meet on Wednesday evening, okay?
Thank you, sir.
It should be good.
Okay, sir.
Why he's walking like a monkey?
To tell you,
He didn't let me sleep peacefully last night.
he's very much excited to tell a story, you know?
I'm very nervous.
You were in toilet last whole night. Go man, don't trouble us.
Come
Please
on,
go.
dude. I didn't expect to tell the story to a producer this soon.
Niraj sir told tomorrow evening, right?
Yeah.
Shall we try that? Let's see whether your story gets appreciation or not.
Oh, you're a good friend. Sir, it's a story of a girl who suffers internally as a decision of important moral of her life, which we usually see in the society which goes wrong. It's an emotional story.
Can you explain about this?
Sir, for example, an air hostess fell in love with a pilot whom she met during work. Sir, their culture is totally different. She took the decision to marry him, though her family is totally against this relation, sir.
Okay.
Within months, she understood the disorder in him. The only thought that she is one among many girls who fell for his beautiful body and communication skill makes her most beautiful and attractive to him.
As she was trapped, she should have tried to adjust with him, right?
She tried her level best, but the problem is she needs to share bed with his friends too.
And these things happen in an atmosphere of a metropolitan city, Amala. Now she resides at a corner of Kochi. Now she reached in the hands of Madhuri, who has some small dealings.
A boss who supplies girlfriends to guys who spend money in the name of event management and model coordination.
And in an event, Amala meets Devadattan. That meeting makes them good friends. Then they become very close to each other.
Devadattan is the director of an IT company who flies to many countries for business.
Oh.
The one who didn't get recognition as a husband. A good guy who married a rich woman with lots of hatred and anger. Amala fights with Madhuri as she is not ready to be in a deal with Niranjan Reddy. The worldly duel becomes very messy and Amala slaps Madhuri.
Hello? Greenland Taxi Service?
Yes, madam. Please tell me. I'm Sundaran. Madam, when do you need our service?
Tomorrow at 8. Tomorrow night at 8.
Madam, address?
Details I'll send you SMS.
AC or non-AC, madam?
AC.
Okay, thanks, madam. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Okay. It's okay. Okay. Is this Anantu?
Yes. Who is this?
Sukku from Travels.
What?
There's an urgent ride.
I'm a little busy.
I need told to call you. That's why I called you.
No, I have another ride.
Please, Anantu.
No, I can't.
Please understand me, Anantu. If any customer raises a complaint, boss will fire me. Then I'll lose my job.
I will drop till your office.
Okay, fine.
It will take 500 rupees.
Hey, this is a minimum ride.
Check someone else if you don't want.
Okay. I'll SMS the address.
Okay.
Don't cut the trees when the house is on fire, you rascal.
Now the time is 8:30, Sukumara.
It's arriving, madam. It'll be there soon. There's a major traffic block in the city.
Don't try to block me by saying block, Sukumara.
No, madam. Vehicle will reach you very soon.
Okay.
Madam, I'm from Greenland.
I asked for taxi, not the goods vehicle.
This is sufficient for one rider. You will get another car from office.
Irresponsible idiots. Through phone they show a lot of responsibilities. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Can't you clean this car?
Don't get angry on me, madam. They called me 10 minutes before. I'm sorry, madam.
My fate.
We live with these kinds of small adjustments, madam.
What happened?
1 minute. Don't let me to do my work, right? I know this will happen. Won't let me to keep at least 10 rupees in hands. Che.
What happened?
Sorry, madam. Car has some trouble.
What are you going to do now?
Madam, just a second. Let me call. Babu bro.
What happened?
Something trouble, bro.
You kept your car for puja today also. Every day this missing is usual, right? Sister, get inside this if you want to escape.
You shall go in that, madam.
Come on, start now.
This was the problem, right?
It's an old car, right? That's why. Nothing to worry.
But it will run,
Of course,
right?
yes. Don't worry.
Hello?
Hello, madam.
Could you come to Hotel City View at 7 o'clock?
7 o'clock, right? Yeah, I will come. Madam, we reached. Madam? Oh, will it be a problem? Madam? Madam? Madam?
Oh.
Madam, careful. Be careful, madam. What a life. Today's the worst day.
Anantu? Anantu? What happened? Any complaints for the vehicle?
See how she's standing. As if she doesn't know anything.
What? You're staring me as if you're seeing a special creature? I had some drinks yesterday.
I know you had drinks.
Sorry, I troubled you, right?
I spent money to clean and beautify this car, you know. It was a huge throwing up. I have seen many. I came to know the time when crackers blasted in temple. Then I lie down for rest and I slept.
It is not unusual to me.
So this is a habit for you, right? So, shall I go, madam?
1 minute. Take this. Talk the spendings later. I need to go to the city evening at 5. Will you come to pick up me?
Yeah, I will come. Should I clean the vomit today also? Then I will bring a big chain. He hasn't cleaned the car after catering. Though she shouted first and she adjusted. As there was no other way, but the car again got troubled. When I gave the number, I didn't expect she will call. Call came when I was at Sridhar's shop. She was all booze when I reached there. Shall I come back without payment? Though I slept in the cold and got mosquito bites. I got 2,000 rupees.
Leisure of rich people is the bread of a poor people.
No problem. She's a good company.
So that's the reason behind today's treat, huh? Very good.
Don't tease me, Anantu. I don't have the mood to drink after that day.
It shows in your face. It's like that when good friends come to you. I'm a little busy.
Then you can go now.
If I go like that, to run the car, to fill diesel.
In which bank you deposit the money you earn from these 24 hours ride? I haven't seen a greedy like you. Oh my god.
I have a lot of responsibility. Let me leave.
Now I don't have money with me. Write it on your Glen book. Have this. You will get some disease if you touch in that old mobile. If you come with me in this old shirt, I'll just tear it, okay?
Thank you. Call me.
Anantu?
I can definitely say that this is going to board in one show.
Hey, what do you mean?
Your luck won't block you anywhere, Anantu.
Now what happened for teasing me?
Don't try to drink milk by closing eyes. Hold it tightly. Don't lose it, okay? This is what people call it a lottery.
Hey, come on, dude. Hello?
Anantu?
Yes, madam.
I've reached, okay?
Okay, you came back from Bangalore.
Yeah. Are you busy now?
I'm driving.
Are you free in the evening?
Yeah, meet you in the evening.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, okay.
You had the pride of catching a guy who flies. Now you think carefully. Your life had gone waste after he dumped you. I'm tired of listening to all the complaints of family members. At least now, let me live peacefully.
Good evening, madam.
Huh? Sit down.
Gone for a movie.
Uh-huh.
Then I thought your call. It was construction work today. I will be paid more for that. Sand from the river. A week's money will get in one day. That was the condition. What's the news in Bangalore? So, shall I go? Tomorrow call me if you need something.
Anantu,
What, ma'am?
some sort of distress. I don't know what it is. I'm so tensed. That's why I called you. That time you didn't pick the phone. Shall we go somewhere? Just for a change.
You mean at this night? I haven't taken the car. I came by Sasi's vehicle. What happened?
Anantu, can you stay here with me for tonight? I'll become mad without any friends. Oh, I was boiling milk in the kitchen. I'll just come now.
You may go. I'm not coming for the film.
What the hell, man?
No, Ray. I have some other work.
Now what work?
Okay.
What? Are you enjoying the fog?
I was just playing game.
Aren't you sleeping, Anantu?
You may sleep, madam. I will sleep later.
Why is it so? Are you waiting for any call?
Hey, no.
If you don't mind, shall I sit here for some time? It's very good to sit in this fog, right? Many people in this world goes behind their needs and miss these rights. Not even have right to wish. Smoking is an addiction, you know. Man can't achieve anything if he gets addicted to it. Soundless, out of focus, everything will be a mistake, you know. Okay, you just carry on. Anyway, good night.
Good night. Good morning.
Good morning. Why you didn't sleep in the room? I made the bed.
I was watching TV. Then I slept. Anyway, didn't become insane, right? Like some mental patients. Laugh a lot and cry a lot. Think we are children. Hey, shame on you.
Shame on you.
Hello? What, master?
Tell me, monkey. Are you still climbing trees there?
Shut up, you idiot.
Huh? Oh, really?
You don't play with me. You didn't come for the movie as you thought that you have to pay the ticket charge, right?
No, dude. There was a thing.
Oh, really? A thing?
I got down for watching
Then?
film. When I was riding truck, she called me after arriving Bangalore. She wanted to meet me. So I went to meet her. I saw her eyes with full of tears. I told you, na, she has some family problems. When she asked me to stay with her, I couldn't say no.
Oh, you couldn't say no. It's like that, is it?
Get lost. You have only this thought? They are not like us. They are civilized.
You fought with Madhuri, right? But you got a new friend, right? There was a call in the morning. She called me as you say usually. Sanjana, The woman who is proclaimed as my wife by the society.
Really, sir?
Hmm.
That's a great news. Its brightness is seen on your face. Oh, thanks to God.
She's coming to Bangalore. I should meet her on 20th next month.
She will come, sir. She will be suffering as she missed you. I'm sure she will be back with lots of love for you.
Yes, she will be back.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, careful! Don't act like children.
Hey! Hey!
She's really insane.
Oh, wow! Come, we shall walk till that corner.
You go and come, madam. I will stay.
I won't allow you to be lazy. Come. Come on. It's a small distance. This is really fun, right?
Hey bro, look at it. Hey dude, have you come for a walk with this girl?
Move aside, man.
Don't go like that.
Why are you getting tense? Do you like this place, huh?
Look, brothers, we didn't come for any trouble.
We also did not come here for any trouble.
You come with me.
Hey,
Leave her!
Leave
white
me.
man.
Leave me!
You get
Madam!
Hey!
Listen to me.
Leave me!
Sorry.
Go aside.
Leave me, I say!
Stop there! Sit, leave her!
Hey, who are you, man?
Hey,
Get out of my way! Hey!
how dare you? Hey.
Okay, brother.
Lay in your level.
Cool. Don't get tensed, okay?
I have seen many games,
We
you
will
know.
leave. We will leave. Okay.
Get lost, you rascals.
Yeah. Okay.
Get lost.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a leopard.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
I said
Hey,
go.
okay. No. Okay. Free.
Come on,
We
man.
will leave the place.
Let's not mess with them. Let's get out of here.
My life went wrong. I became bad to those who loved me. Can you understand my heart, Anandu?
I understood that you're a good girl.
I love to be called Allu by those who are close to me. Anandu,
Sir, talking to Anantu from the beginning, his cut-offs due to his financial condition made a curiosity in her. His trustworthiness when he cared her after she had booze. His courage when he saved her from rough guys. She feels a life security in him.
Amala requested Anantu to be with her that night as she was abused verbally in Bangalore on her visit to see her sister there.
She should put a gap in this new relation as she has previous experience, right?
That's the situation, David.
She keeps that kind of distance with Devadattan.
But mental closeness this fast?
When someone is really lonely, they may reveal everything from their heart, even to a small guy. Heart says to be close with him.
She feels a life security in him. Or maybe this is what she couldn't find in her first man.
Devadattan rejoins with Sanjana may also influence Amala to come close with Anantu.
Anantu, are you available now?
Huh, Shankar bro. I'm a little busy. Sit.
You get the rid of that air hostess, right? Guys were telling in the town, people should get something to say. You're always stay there, they say. They don't like anybody to be good.
She was air hostess. Now she runs a business in the city. She was studied and brought in Bangalore, but she's a Malayali. Now I have a right, Shankreta.
Is it her right?
No, another one.
Lakshmi called yesterday. Don't you call her now? She was upset by saying that you don't pick her call.
She is mad. Ask that girl to study well. It's so important.
He has a ride in a house built in Pudapalla. He's very busy. How can he pick the phone when he is on drive? Police stays with camera, you know?
But she doesn't understand that.
Sushilama, I'm going. Lock the house, okay?
What a pleasant surprise, sir. I can't believe my eyes.
Fantastic. And I really admit it. Oh, I'm sorry. Where is your Anantu?
Anantu has gone out.
You're very interesting, Amala. Are you serious?
Self-losing life. But when I am alone, I'm afraid to look back. I don't know my decision is right, but I know one thing. Anantu loves me a lot. When he's near to me, I feel I'm more safe.
Believe man. Expect a good future rather than a lost past.
So, am I hurting you?
Never. Amala, you know something? We become happy when people we love are really happy. I had the feeling to see you over and over again. And don't forget to convey my regards to Anantu. Okay?
Okay,
Shall I
sir.
go?
I haven't ever thought that he would come here. He waited for you, Anantu. And tried it mobile too, but it was not reachable. He went as it was the time for his flight. He is a guy who helped me, loved me, and he's the one who cared for me a lot. Anantu, do you have anything?
Waterloo.
How are you, madam?
I will go out and be back.
What dareness you are showing, girl. Doesn't he have anybody to take care of him? When Devan told me about this, I thought it was a lie.
Madhu, listen, if you have come here to complain about me, we have a coffee and say goodbye.
You are showing more temper tantrums. It's good to have a young devil like this in your teenage. He has only started to howl. You could nurture him until he become mature and find another nest. You can feed him and look after him.
I will decide whether to kill or grow him, okay? I don't need anyone to interfere in my problems.
What? Do you feel I am irritating you now?
Madhu, I'm so afraid of you now. Thanks, Madhu. Thanks a lot. I believe that whatever happened on that day is everything for good.
Still, you are a dream girl. A beautiful girl who loves angel in fairy tales. I have protected many people like you. You know, I started this fight at the age of 17. I was ashamed to get the money from the guy I slept with. Then it became a greed. While I am running about in my journey, you can only make me think like a human being. Because of that love, even before me, I thought of safeguarding you instead of me. It's true, Allu. Not only you. I haven't misused any girls.
Is this also an acting?
Don't see me as a bad woman always, Allu.
Hey, see
Yes,
who's
come,
coming.
bro.
Hello.
Hi,
Brother.
hey, how are you, man?
How are you?
It's okay, dude.
Hey, he came. Huh? You are not seen nowadays. What happened?
I'm here only. It's been many days that I cleaned the house. I don't get time for anything.
How will you get time? You have double duty, right? Okay, what's her name?
It's not like as you think. She's decent.
Decent. When I worked for Greenland, I used to drop her house after her booze. She went to him from my hands. She's a big case.
Hippie Biju jumped into her compound after listening to your talk and at last reached police station.
She has really very high contacts. We can't deal her, dude. Can you give me a chance when you are tired of her?
Rascal! I told you that she's not that type of girl.
Why do you fight in the name of girls? Leave it.
He's her mahout now. Dude, do you know something? It's good to rear her. Touchings, playings, bathing.
Hey!
I
Hey,
Leave him,
you
man.
don't
Hey,
fight.
come on.
Hey,
Don't hit him.
you are
What the
not
hell, man?
rascal.
Pull him.
Hey, leave him.
Stop it, man. Hey,
Hey, what are you
Hey,
doing,
come on,
man?
stop it.
He does Hey, Anantu, don't do like this.
Come on.
Leave me.
Go. Get out from here.
Leave me.
Hey, you leave
Go
this
from
place.
here.
Go.
Go. Come on, go.
Just leave me.
Is he mad or what? Why is he asking beatings from all? Just forget it, man. Hey, man, come on. If he's lucky enough, let him enjoy.
Yeah, sharp 6:30. I'll be there. Okay.
Do we need to go now? We could go for an outing if Anantu comes.
No. There's a launch of Akash Group. 1 or 2 VIPs.
After keeping this busy schedule, when are you giving yourself to someone?
I can't stop saying this. Amla, Dave loves you a lot. He is more matured, rich, lovable. Better than I think. I am not eligible to advise you. Not able to come out of the decision already you have made. You should be very careful now. Remember what I said. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Why are you staring at me? There is something fishy.
What did your friend say?
You are a young devil, so be careful. Careful when he doesn't come to the nest. What happened? I just touched only. Oh, it's swelling.
A fight under banyan tree. When I have fallen down, It might have hit on some stone.
Can't you stop fighting with friends? You're just spoiling my peace. You think that you're a big hero.
He unnecessarily talked about you, Allu. I had told him several times. What if he doesn't hear? Blood became hot. Friends were in between, or else I would have finished him.
If the love you're showing to me is true, why don't we marry? Why are you keeping silent?
I liked you when I started knowing you. Allu's heart which loves me. The happiness which it gave to me. I can't be apart from you by making you alone.
You loved only my body like everyone did, right?
Hey! This is pity. Why don't you get me?
I'm the needy, right? Your love is a false tears, as you know that I'm all alone.
I don't know to say love through words. You're seeking a chance to make a fight, am I right?
No, don't show me much love. Move to that side. I need to love if no one is there near to me in future.
So that's your wish. I would leave you.
Hey, listen man, Anil should get at least 2. You better be careful. He might be angry on you.
Ask him to get lost.
But whatever it is, what magic have you shown with that girl?
Will you make me mad? Car is in garage. I need some money to get it from there. That's why I'm after you.
There was some problem with the last payment. Actually, that was the problem, you understand? Do one thing. You better go and ask Kamala madam for some money.
She is also in crisis as she fought with her partner. And it's not fair. You know, that won't be nice. You tell me some possible ways.
I told you already to take an auto rickshaw when you took that car. You didn't listen to me. Now see what happened? No one can stop your destiny. Anyways, you got Amla madam, isn't it? Aren't you happy now?
Do you need to be scolded by me?
I was just kidding, man. I have some collections on the other side of the river. It'll be done before night. You come back later.
Please make it done.
Okay.
It's Shankar uncle.
Oh.
He has trunk.
To whom you're trying to seduce? Huh? I told you to stop this job, right? How is it possible? Why don't you listen to us? You are unconscious
take
now.
the car.
Don't go like that. You are like a leech. You won't leave without drinking blood.
Shankar uncle, move aside. We could talk what we need to talk.
You go. You don't need anything else, right? Hey girl, you see some other guy? If you're not satisfied, don't make to say anything else. Huh? Got it?
Mind your words. You're Ananto's uncle. Otherwise, why are you simply hearing his words? I asked you to take the car, right?
I told you to stop talking nonsense. Behave yourself.
Son, don't forget Lakshmi. She is a prostitute. Big prostitute. It's written on her face. She will definitely spoil family. Listen, your Shankar uncle is telling this. You will never ever win. You will be an utter failure.
Careful. Please get up. Slowly. Yeah. Get up.
You won't be ever good. You have to
Don't
listen
worry.
to me.
Let them go.
Please don't go.
Okay.
I used to carry him in when he was a child. He needed my shoulder to sleep when he cries. What shall I do now? What shall I answer to Lakshmi? Now when he has grown up, he beat me. For someone who is very bad, I need to get this. Yes.
We will reach there by 11 o'clock. I need to meet a doctor and have some shopping.
Evening I have a launching program. It will be a pocket money for you.
I'm not prepared. You arrange someone else.
You became very busy. Can I able to meet you personally?
If I have time after shopping, then we could meet.
I am a little busy. Call me after reaching there.
Okay, bye. Our friendship is like a little rabbit's. Mother's thinking you as her enemy. Anantu, are you angry still? Just leave it, boss. When that old guy scolded after drinking, I had only you to show my anger. Take it easy, sweetheart.
Old guy. Cha. I gave pain to who used to feed me. How will I look into his face now? Oh, I have no idea what to do. Cha. I shouldn't have get on from the car.
Don't feel bad about it. We could go and ask sorry to him. For a change, shall we go to the city now?
I'm not coming. Not to city, not to anywhere.
Anantu, I want to meet the physician. Please.
Now I have become a remote in others' need. I forgot about me in their problems and sorrows.
Anantu is talking to me, an unknown person. Do you feel that I am a problem to you?
I'll be mad if I sit here. I don't feel good, even for a moment.
Then I shall come with you.
Why do you say sorry for my mistake?
You?
Let's walk for some time. I feel jealous on you. Now I feel you are right. Shall we arrest the culprit? That guy is good, is it?
Anantu is not picking his phone. He was so tensed as he was quarreled with his uncle.
I have been watching you for several years. What's the problem?
No. Nothing.
A life is a reality. I became very happy when I heard that you are pregnant. A woman's life will be blessed then. After that only, you can forget all the past and get a good life as you wished always. Be cheerful. Come on. I have a shopping. After that, I will drop you in the house. Come.
You calm down. There's a solution for every problem.
It's not like as you think. I'm not in a good mood.
That's okay. What does the girl say now?
What that girl says now. What to say? She's very innocent. Sure. I don't know what to do.
You calm down, okay? I'm going and meeting Shankaran now.
I should not have done with Shankar uncle like that.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
I have planned a treat for you. Tell your guy also.
Okay.
See you.
Bye.
Brother?
So it's true that people say Shankar has stopped drinking. But he sleeps in toady shop nowadays.
I feel sad when I see the sister.
After the work, there was queue of beverage. It pulls like anything.
There's no one to give you a slap.
You were there to beat me in my childhood. And now, it's your son's turn. It is not because he pushed me down. How many people watched it? Huh? Do you know how many days I made you lie down in the temple pond when you wished it? Huh?
It's true that I have pushed, but I didn't think that you would fall.
You should have helped him to get up. By the way, why are you roaming with that girl? I am ashamed when I hear people say about it.
Mom, please you stop gossiping. Don't you have any other work?
I am going home. Aren't you coming? It's time for my serial.
Hello? I will make it done.
Shankar uncle, problem has been solved. Now you shall go.
It's Thursday, right? I will come. Sure, I'll come.
Hi.
Huh?
Didn't you go for begging today? Gopika has told me everything about your behavior, dear. You still flirt, right?
You have changed a lot.
Handsome Tamil boys are behind me in college, you know. I scolded mom when she called me and told about you. A kind of tension. What's the problem?
Allu loves me.
What are you saying? Are you playing with me? Don't you love me? I love you, you know that, right? You don't love her at all.
I love her. I love both you and Allu. Allu is innocent. She has nobody.
Am I not innocent? I loved you as you are my life. Why don't you think about me?
I forgot you sometimes.
I didn't forget you.
I can't leave her, Lakshmi.
Don't take my rights on you, please.
Lakshmi! Now it's fine, right? Come, let's eat something.
But Lakshmi, why Shankar uncle is doing like this to me?
She's like a own daughter to him, isn't it? No one has ever thought that she would do something stupid like this. He might have scolded her when he lost his mind. You don't think about anything.
I couldn't understand Lakshmi so far. I told her everything as she considered me as a friend. Poor girl.
But now you're okay, right? Tell me. Have you seen her? We saw Lakshmi. Is she okay? She's okay. Now what to do?
Should we wait for some time?
Anantu may feel Amala is a problem to him. It's natural.
Anantu had sung in the first treatment, curses of Shankar brother and other people. Mind will be vibrant. Though he didn't love Lakshmi, Lakshmi came to village by taking leave when problem was going on. When Anantu told her that he loves Amala, she lost her mental stability and she tries for suicide. Will it be digestible?
Will it be digestible?
You used to say about the true love which vanished. Though she is bold outside, she is a poor girl who loves her lover very much from the bottom of her heart.
I think we have gone 10 years back. Will new generation accept this?
Come out, you bitch! Let us see you clearly.
Come outside! Shall I call the police? Will you open the door or shall we break it?
Break it! If the girl in the hospital dies, your game will be over.
Come out immediately!
Hey, what are you doing? Come! We should not be here.
If we let her die and leave this girl for living with him, then why we should live here? You go and see your bloody business.
First listen what I am trying to say. There is no big issues as you think. I saw Anantu and Lakshmi talking in the hospital. Listen to me, man. First, understand.
Hey, why the hell are you here? Comes the hero. Who the bloody hell police needs here?
We need to tell something to those who resides here, okay?
We will leave this place only after meeting your princess. Till then, we won't go anywhere.
Hey,
Hey, stop it!
fight. Hey,
Damn it! Don't leave it!
Please, fight, yeah. We are all friends. Hey,
Anantu!
Hey, whatever.
Hey, leave him!
You
Let him
guys,
go.
let's go to the hospital.
Don't hit him!
Don't fight, man. We should not fight.
Get lost from here! You bloody rascals! Get lost!
Not fight for a girl.
Don't see you guys here!
Don't do like
Bloody
We are all
rascals!
friends.
Fight for a girl!
Let's
Get
go.
lost!
It's not in the mood.
I will kill you if you come again! Leave me! Rascals! How dare they will be! The curse of he who loved and raised more than my mother. I should get that. Why did she love me this much?
Shut up and lie down there. Gift that your friends gave is really good. I'll put cotton in your mouth if you open it again. Crying after doing all this. You should have said at least once that she loves you a lot. If I knew this before, we wouldn't have been like this. You're really a man. I need a friend who tried and failed to understand me. Have this. You don't feel pain. Have it. It's a painkiller. You sleep peacefully.
I don't need to sleep. I need to stay with you, Alu.
That's good to hear. I have lot of works. I need to relax that girl in the morning.
Lakshmi is innocent, Alu. She is innocent. She is innocent.
Love. Whenever I try to earn it, it is always becoming a pain. I thought you will be a good reason to end the wrong path, which I have been traveling in my life. It was my selfishness to deny your problems and privacy. The girl who tried to suicide, after knowing that the person she loved so much will be lost. She is resembling like me. I can't love you more than she loves you. I'm taking the remuneration for loving you without even your knowledge. I want you to be happy forever. Let me win at least over there.
After leaving Anantu, she planned to start her new journey over and over again, and she's getting ready for the journey.
Oh, it's like that. After leaving everything, she's going back to Madhuri's hands. That's not fair. We need a good climax. Isn't it, director?
We are also in that confusion.
Good. I liked till here. A short story without much complications. I like it.
Here comes your lover, man. Somebody has started learning guitar after the performance.
Our song Butterfly has become a major hit. Everyone loves it, but only except one.
That girl has performed very nicely.
That girl has performed very nicely, isn't it?
She is a beautiful Selena. I lost the only chance because of the damn project.
Hey, how beautiful are you? Yes, you are beautiful. Your eyes are dove couples. Yes, you are beautiful.
What was so great in Muna's dance? It was like shivering in a winter. He tuned that girl a lot.
But you got the lot, right?
Oh my god. If I become a singer in my next birth, I would keep a girl in front of you every month. Guru Ayirappa. Okay. You continue.
Hey, Swati! Swati!
No, don't touch me. Leave me. You tell me what to do now. If that girl looks beautiful, but I know that I'm the only girl in your heart. Hey!
What is the importance of silence here? Think. We are good friends. It will be hurting you if I ask you whether you're fine.
No, sir. There is nothing like that. In the journey to my goal, I feel I have again reached in a loneliness. Sorry, sir. Anyway, how is ma'am? Everything is okay, na?
Yeah, everything is okay. Shall we talk something else? Excuse me, sir. Huh? With pleasure. Today I sing a song for you.
ശലഭമേ ഒരു ഈതൾ തേടി ഇന്നു വന്നു ഞാൻ നിന്നിലായി ഒരു തെന്നൽ പോൽ വന്നു ഞാൻ ശലഭമേ ഒരു നിഴൽ പോലെന്നും വന്നു ഞാൻ ജീവനിൽ ഒരു തെന്നൽ പോൽ വന്നു ഞാൻ ശലഭമേ
Here is a gift for you. Thank you, sir.
Will you be here next week?
I'm going to Chennai tomorrow. There is a discussion over
Sir?
there. I'll be there for a week.
Sir.
Huh? Ah, Leo. Your song was good.
Thank you, sir.
And I liked the track you sang. But I couldn't do anything as producer as some other commitment.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, then see you later.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you afraid of new guys?
For what? I was a new guy when I did music for your movie. I believe that talent and hard work take us to success.
Have you mentioned about me?
Lyrics are excellent. Congrats, Amala.
Thank you, sir. Lyrics were written some days back. He composed it and sang it with a good feel. Really, he's a good composer. You didn't talk about Madam? Is she happy?
Yeah. I told you about a mediator. He is her boyfriend. He gives her happiness the way she needs it. And she enjoys like a butterfly. She's more young and satisfied. So she needs a legal divorce. A compromise meeting for that. That's all. As you said, like she wished. You know, I couldn't become a good composer.
Sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. I didn't think like that. Hello?
Hello? Are you coming?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
has been so much of time.
Sir, Madhu is waiting for me. Okay, sir. Good night. See you. Sir?
Can you able to go again without understanding me?
Sir,
Amala. You will give something in the absence of love. But if you love, you can't stop from giving.
These problems are common in cities. There is a life for the story.
Shall I tell you a truth now? This is almost a real story.
Really? I somewhere really felt it.
Vinay is after it for the last couple of months.
I know you can get it now.